My dears, welcome back to our maths class. I hope you all understood what we have learned in the last class. Today we are going to learn fraction division. What is fraction division? By dividing a fraction by another fraction, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of second fraction. Let's do some examples. Divide 1 by 2 by 1 by 4. We have to divide 1 by 2 by 1 by 4. We know that by dividing a fraction by another fraction, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of second fraction. So, 1 by 2 into reciprocal of 1 by 4. It becomes 1 by 2 into 4 by 1. That is 1 into 4 by 2 into 1, which is equal to 4 by 2, which is 2. Okay. Second example, divide 4 by 11 by 4 by 7. We have to divide 4 by 11 by 4 by 7, which is 4 by 11 into reciprocal of 4 by 7. Okay. Then it becomes 4 by 11 into reciprocal is 7 by 4, which is equal to 4 into 7 by 11 into 4, which is equal to 28 by 44, which is in simplest form 28 divided by 4 and 44 divided by 4. Okay, it becomes 7 by 11. Is it clear, children? Yes. Students, let's do some problems. First one, 1 divided by 3 by 4. We know that 1 in improper fraction becomes 3 by 2. Okay. Then 1 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. 3 by 2 into reciprocal of 3 by 4. Okay. We know that reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. So it becomes 3 by 2 into 4 by 3, which is 3 into 4 by 2 into 3, which is equal to 12 by 6, equal to 2. Okay. In second question, divide 1 by 2 by 3 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 by 3, which is 1 into 4, which is 1 into 4 by 2 into 3, which is equal to 4 by 6. In simplest form, 4 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2, which is 2 by 3. Okay. Next, we shall do some word problems relating fraction division. Let's do an example. A 10-meter string can be cut into how many half-meter pieces? Here, the total length of the string is 10 meters. We have to find the number of pieces each having half-meter long. Given the length of the string equal to 10 meter. Then length of one piece equal to half meter. We have to find the number of pieces. So number of pieces equal to 10 divided by half. Okay, that is 10 into reciprocal of half. So reciprocal of half is 2 by 1. So it becomes 10 into 2 by 1, which is equal to 10 into 2 by 1, which is 20. So there are 20 pieces in all. Then we move to the second example. A 20-meter ribbon is cut into how many 1 by 4 meter pieces? In this question, we have to find out the number of pieces of ribbon. Here, length of the ribbon equal to 20 meter. Length of one piece equal to 1 by 4 meter. Then, number of pieces equal to 20 divided by 1 by 4, which is 20 into reciprocal of 1 by 4, which is equal to 20 into 4 by 1, which is 80. So, total number of pieces of ribbon equal to 80. In this section, we learned by dividing a fraction by another fraction, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Here is an activity for you. Students, do the exercise question number 1 from the textbook, page number 55. And divide 4 and 1 by 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 and 2 and 1 by 4 divided by half. That's all for today. Thank you.